Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 10 of 10, Screw Bar. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name. Screw Bar, store it in c09exr4 benchwise folder. Say OK. Create a sketch. Select the YZ plane. Now draw the outer profile for revolve section. Select 2 mm length and 90-degree angle. Profile. Length angle 0. Length angle 90. 84 mm length angle 0. Length angle 270. 10 mm length angle 0. 2 mm length angle 270. And close at the origin. Is the dimension text height and rearrange for better readability. Finish the switch. Now select the revolve. To specify the vector, select the line 8 of sketch and say OK. Hide the sketch. Right click, orient V2 trimetric. Save the file, close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 4, part 10 of 10, screw bar.